opening all my SHEIN packages I have. A lot of SHEIN packages. And I'm very excited to open them. So, yeah, let's get started. But first thing you need to do is to subscribe. Here's a subscribe. And like. And we're going to give 5 seconds to do this both. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Now we start to open these packages. Okay, so I don't know if I should open them like this, by that, by that. But I'm gonna do the white first, because I don't know. Okay, this is the first one, and it was I think this is the dress. So, ooh, what is this? Oh, it came with the bow. I didn't think it was actually gonna come with separate pieces. Guys, this is beautiful. Are you ready? So it came with this beautiful bow. It actually matched right here. But yeah, I think it's for the dress. And then here's the dress. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, the chargers keep falling off. Jesus. Oh my god. Papi. There we go. Okay, so it's a beautiful long dress. And then it has like these beautiful pearls on it with like, you know, that texture. And then it has a bunch of pockets, as you can tell. But yeah, it's a very, and these are like, I got it for church, so you can know. Like, it's very pretty, and I guess put the bow. I'm gonna show my mom, guys. Wait, oh, never mind, she left. Look, look, look how pretty.
Wow.
And now she was like, that's ugly. Like, it's really pretty, guys. I think this is one of my favorites. Guys, at the end, like, on the comments, tell me which one is your favorite dress. Very nice. Now, do you like put it back in the box? No? Leave it out? Leave it out? Okay. Here, can you fold it? That, you can put the bow here. Okay. This packing is done. Yeah, I forgot. I think this was a skirt or a dress. I don't know. I think this is a skirt because it just looks like. Oh no, this is a dress. Is this a skirt? Okay. Oh my god. This scammed me. This came with the white shirt, guys. Look, it was in this bag. Said I bought shirts for this. So we got a white little, show actually that dress. See, it's like this bows. In the picture, it was brown with bows, but it's fine. And we got the white bows like there. And it's a pretty long dress. I love them. They're pretty. Oops, sorry. Okay, is there any more white ones I need? Oh, wait. I don't think that was a scam. I think it came with this one too. Did it? Yeah. Was it? Oh no, this is a dress. This was the one that you said it was ugly, huh? Whatever. So this is another dress, and it's a pretty dress.
You're gonna look like La Llorona.
Yes, La Llorona. So we have these. I don't know how to say it. I don't like dresses like they annoy me so much. But we have these long sleeves, and then like with a little like ruffle here. You know, like the little ruffle. But guys, in the inside, so you know, like there's a ruffle. I love this. I always tell my mom about it. So like, look. So like, you see, it's itchy here, but look. It's like, yeah. And look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. LEDs are like, you know, like those tight things that go around you? Yeah, it's that. And that's actually really pretty, guys. I need someone to be here so I can like.
Just put it there.
Yeah.
You just put it there. And then I fix it. Dame cagado.
Sorry, guys. This big charger's falling a lot. It's a really heavy charger, and we have like a thick cable, so it's falling off.
Es que ella lo topa. Mueve la silla para aquel lado. Push the chair back. Push the chair.
There we go. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that accident again. Okay, guys, so the other one we're gonna do is this. This is like, I think it's the last one. Yeah. So I mostly like picked this stuff out, but some my mom did. Like about 3 or 2 my mom picked. Okay, I know this was for sure a skirt. This is just a skirt. Okay. So look how pretty! This is the bow one, and it's so cute. I love it. It's just really pretty. Yeah, it's like black bows, and then like this is on the Pinterest. My mom said a little bit of skirts and a little bit of dresses. So I think I have most dresses. I meant skirts, sorry.
You also can put it on the chair.
Oh yeah. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. I think we're gonna open this one last. Let's open it. This is a black one, and it's like, I don't know what it says, but it's like different. This is proposed bag. So you can reuse this if you want. Oh my god, wait, is this even mine? Oh, mommy! Did you buy me this one too? Oh, so my mom has this, and it's another one she bought me. We have a lot of matching skirts. I think she bought me a lot. Okay, that's like a really pretty like black skirt. I need a black skirt, guys. I need a black skirt. Okay, guys, everything there is white. That was the only black thing I put. Like, you see that? Everything is white. It's the only black thing I put there. What's gonna be a little bit colorful now? Okay. And I have a little bit more left. I want to say this one for last. Yes. We're gonna open this one. So my mom, she accidentally ordered 2 of these ones, but I gave one to my friend. To my BFF. We're like this, guys. We're like this. Yes. So. Okay. So it came with a whole set. So this is the dress. I have a bunch of dresses like this. So guys, you're like, oh my god, you're not wearing like that. Aren't these like really low streaks to wear at church? Right? It's really cute. But then I have a sweater to wear over it. And it's the cutest sweater I ever put. Cause look how cute. And I don't even have to wear this with this specifically. I can just wear it. God, I'm nervous. Look how pretty. And it comes like a little star. It's like a cowboy shirt, you know, like the Barbie cowboy, like a period. But pink, I mean white outside. It's usually pink and then white stars. But it's so pretty. I love it, personally, in my opinion, because I love pink. Pink is my second favorite color. First is purple, because pink. I didn't want any. Purple does not look good on me, guys. It looks, but shoe purple, the best on me. Oop, that fell. Okay. So we have 3 more. Now I'm gonna open this one. I think this one is my mom's. Mommy, did you put mine back? Okay. So this one is mine. I have 2 G ones. So I'm gonna open first. So ready? I'm gonna throw them and let's see what's my touch. I'm closing my eyes, guys. Closing my eyes. Ready? Ah! Okay. I did not open my eyes. I had a feeling it was going to be the other one. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. It's a jean skirt and like the ruffles again. Really pretty. I have a lot of shirts though, so don't match with all my skirts at all. And then I'm gonna say this one for last because this one I really wanted to open last. Sorry guys. I have an addiction with doing this. I just have an addiction. And I don't want to get married, so I do this. I don't know, I just have an addiction. It's an addiction. It reminds me of it. So this is a really pretty dress. Skirt. I have a million skirts. I barely have any dresses. That's fine. So look, yeah, like it's like a dress. Like it's a dress. You know? My mom has the same one as this one too. Matched. And then on the bottom, there's a little like white, you know, like a jean. It's a jean skirt, but like in church version. Last. Oh my god. Last and but not least, I got the favorite one that I ordered. This is the first one I ordered, I think. Oh my god. Okay, this is the only one that came with like a whole set. Oh no, there's another one, but it came with a set. Oh my god, this is we dropped my gorgeous. There's the skirt that I showed you, right? I mean, I would wear this one. So it's this beautiful sweater. Really pretty. I love it so much. It's like fluffy. It's like warmer than the inside. So fluffy and warm. And then it came with this pretty black skirt. It's like the ruffles again. It's really cute. This is my favorite set. My favorite is the pink one, I think. I don't have her name. Like, it's so pretty. I love it, in my opinion. But yeah. Yeah, guys, that's all my SHEIN packages I have today. Yeah, I hope you guys subscribe and on notification like. But, ooh. Kind of copy the intro. And guys, by the way, I've done this video because I haven't done a video in like months. We done it, but we didn't edit it. So, yeah. Yeah. So, please get me a lot of likes. Because I think I'm the only YouTuber that has a little bit of likes. So, please. I think I have like only 200 maybe likes. Like, people have like 3 million. Like, I need support and help. Please. I need to start posting videos. So, yeah. Thank you for the video. And yeah, I'll see you in my close. Alright. Okay, guys. Bye. Love you.